New Orleans is one of the best holiday destinations you can choose, but after a few drunken days on Bourbon Street, you might want a little break from the chaos. And there's no better way to escape the city than to head to the bayou and meet the Gators. We went with Cajun Swamp Tours. I'll break down the prices at the end. You can either drive yourself or get picked up. We chose the hotel pickup. It was really smooth, really easy, and super convenient. When we arrived, we were greeted by baby gators and the stunning views of the Mississippi. Once you check in, you hop on board and meet your captain, who sets the tone for the trip ahead. We had Captain Ernie, a proper local legend. Before we even reached the bayou, he was spotting gators left and right, sharing stories and cracking jokes. He was wonderful. He even explained what a bayou is. And no, it's not just bayou like his dad used to say. Once we got deep into the swamp, things got wild. Ernie knew exactly where to find the gators, tossing them marshmallows to bring them right up to the boat. Don't worry though, it's totally safe. Turns out Captain Ernie's got a degree in marine biology and decades of swamp experience. So yeah, you're in good hands. And did we actually see much action? Yes, loads. We saw gators everywhere, plus birds, turtles, snakes. It was one of the absolute highlights of our New Orleans trip, and it ended up with Paul getting to hold this baby gator. Not something you get to do every day. Pricing time. If you book direct, it's around $35 for adults, $24 for kids, and about $30 for the hotel pickup and drop off. We booked through Get Your Guide, which saved us about $5 on the pickup, and if you've got kids, it will save you about $8 on their tickets, so just $16 each. It's not just cheaper, it's easier to use, and if your plans change, you can cancel and get a refund instantly. If you want to book through Get Your Guide, we've linked it below. It won't cost you a penny more, but it helps us keep making videos like this. We hope you enjoyed our swamp tour as much as we did, and if you're lucky, you'll get to hold a little gator yourself.